Top 3 Best Car Scratch Remover Reviews. 1. Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover. If your car has minor scratches, swirls, or other marks, you can quickly repair them with Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover. The kit comprises a buffer pad and exclusively formulated compounds to remove light scratches on a car. It effectively restores the paint's shine and gloss by bringing back the lost luster. This scratch removal product is also helpful in removing oxidation and water spots from the paint. Pros. Easy to use. Made using premium compounds. Does not contain any dyes. Can be applied using orbital or by hand. Safe to use on different paints and colors. Cons. May not be effective in removing deep scratches. 2. Shine Armor Car Scratch Remover. A revolutionary formula, the Shine Armor Car Scratch Remover can effectively remove scratches, swirls, and oxidation on the vehicle without damaging paint and with little or no dusting required. Using this product, you can remove scratches from the car at home, and the product can restore the sparkle and shine that has passed over time. Pros. Easy, safe, and quick application. Saves time, money, and effort. Does not contain wax or fillers. Give results in a single swipe. Can be applied using hands. Cons. Scratches may reappear after car wash. 3. Songvan Car Scratch Repair Pen. Songvan Scratch Repair Remover Pen can reduce scratches and prevent body rust. The Car Scratch Repair Pen is a bottle of premium car paint with a small brush in it. Before using it, don't forget to check the color consistency on a piece of paper. Pros. Portable design. Easy to use. Saves time and effort. Can be used on various other appliances. Protects from heat, oxidation, and rust. Makes a good option for touch-up paint. Cons. Brush is coarse and may not enable smooth application. Colors may not be exact.